Hi guys, so today I will be doing a Raya makeup tutorial using my new Naked Heat palette. So this look will be a really burgundy look and hopefully you guys enjoy it. First, I'm going to use my H&M Brow Specialist eyebrow pencil. This is my absolute favorite. I start off by outlining the shape of my eyebrows, so the top, the bottom, and the tail of my eyebrow.
But you'll never know this, wherever you are. Well, maybe I don't give up easily, but I know this is hard.
And then I use an angled brush with no product on it, and I blend it in. I fill in the middle part of my eyebrows, all that.
It's time to slow down, so I can keep your heart around.
For foundation, I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is perfect for a matte finish to your face.
Slow down, so I can keep your heart around. If I can make you stay another day, I'll wait another day for you.
For bronzer, I'm going to use the H&M bronzer as well, and I'm just gonna use my brush and contour my cheeks and bronze my forehead.
Maybe I'm love drunk. I wish that I didn't know.
The first eyeshadow I'll be using is Sauced. This is a peachy color and I'll be using it as a transition shade. Use it all throughout the crease of your eye, starting from the outer corner and blending it towards the inner.
But I wish time would slow down, so I can keep your heart.
For the second shade, I'll be using He Devil. This is a light red color, and I'll be using this for the inner crease of my eye, just to add a pop of color.
You would say if time would slow down, so I can keep your heart around. If I can make you stay another day, I'll wait another day for you.
For the outer corner of my eye, I'll be using En Fuego. This is a dark burgundy shade. Pick up the product on a brush and dab it towards the outer corner of your eye. You can build it up by adding more product, depending on how dark you want the look to be.
It shouldn't hurt to look your way.
For my eyelids, I'll be using Lumber. This is a pink peach shimmer color.
It shouldn't hurt to look your way.
For this shade, I'll be using my finger to apply it because I feel like it is easier for the shimmer to sit on your eyelids when you apply it with your finger.
Cause I'm the one that can't stand to feel any more pain. I can feel the weight of what you say. I had explanations for days.
I will be using Ounce, which is a white shimmer shadow, to highlight the inner corner of my eye. You can't see it clearly on the camera, but it really brightens the look.
All I do is think when I'm away. The colors burst and all I see are shade.
Lastly, use your blending brush to blend out evenly all the shades on your eye.
She's here for good.
For my bottom eyelid, I'll be using Low Blow. This is a brownish tone and I'll just use it on the bottom waterline of my eye.
It shouldn't hurt to look your way. I shouldn't have to catch a case.
Lastly, I'm just gonna curl my lashes. Make sure you pump your eyelash curler a few times. This way your eyelashes will stay curled for an even longer amount of time. I'll be using the H&M mascara for my lashes. For my lips, I'll be using Bare Minerals Marvelous Moxie. This is a lip gloss and it is really minty. You guys, I definitely recommend this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and this makeup look. I wish you all a Selamat Hari Raya.
To look your way.